It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon, and today, guys, as you can see by that title right here, we're going to be doing the eating fast food challenge. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we got our plates right here. And so we have selected five or six, but we selected about 5 or 6 items we're going to be doing for you guys today. So, babe, are you ready for this challenge?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm gonna knock you out. I feel like he gonna be done before me, y'all, cause he always like when we get food, he's always the first one to finish. Like I'll take one bite and he'll be done. You ready to get into this video, baby?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready? Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Who?
High five. Yeah, let's go. All right. I'm gonna win this war.
No, he's not.
Come on.
I'm
Let's
gonna
be
win.
real. You know I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
All right, guys. Without further ado, before we jump into the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and
Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. Boom.
we don't do no more talking. We're gonna jump straight right into this video. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoyed. Let us know down below what other videos you want to do. You ready? Let's go. Kaboom, boom, boom, boom. Scoop, 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 scoop. Let's go.
Alright, guys, we have ourselves a mango.
Wait, I didn't do that.
Spin
Why
the
not do
mango.
that?
Wait, spin the mango.
Oh, that boy fancy. I learned something today.
This food right here.
Ooh. We gonna get this W, you know what I'm saying? Better cooperate to that boy.
Okay, guys, we don't have a knife. We don't have no. We're gonna use our
I don't need no
fingers
knife.
and our teeth. This is difficult for me because I always use a knife to cut a mango.
Good luck. Good luck.
But all right, guys.
Ready to jump in?
Without further ado, let's get this challenge started.
Round
Hey,
one.
wait, bite mine.
Fight!
Hey, wait.
Good for what?
Wait.
The faster I go, you don't have to eat all of it. You alright?
No.
Need help?
Babe, that's not fair. You eat mangoes for a living.
It's good as hell, boy.
Babe, wait. Wait for me.
You need help or you good? She gonna feel the whole skin and bite. Man. That's not biting.
Oh my god. It's good. I love mangoes. Mango's my favorite fruit.
I thought it was strawberry.
No, strawberry's my second.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yep. I don't like strawberries like
Oh,
that.
nice.
I love me some mangoes.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop you fucking lying.
Oh, you're trying to bite down, huh? In this lip.
No, I'm not. Babe, wait. You eating the skin.
What do you want me to do for?
Because you love me.
That's all it is.
I'm about to get full.
I mean, that is for me.
Babe!
You alright? You good?
No!
You're struggling though.
How do you...
You alright?
No.
What's wrong?
My mango won't peel right.
Oh,
Babe! Wait for me! Wait for me!
What you that for?
Cuz...
That stupid ass. Bro, I ain't never eating my mango, bro. Yo, chicken ass, bro. Mr. Donatello with that ugly ass. Look like a mango. Move back. Not my fault, you then.
Shut up. Ew, babe, what's that? Don't eat that.
So what?
That part.
What part? Think you're asleep.
Oh my gosh. I need a napkin. Wait. I'm not eating that part. It look a little suspect.
You don't eat that part. We never used to listen to song.
What the hell did you just say? It sounded like you said
Hey, we done.
No, you still got some on there.
We done. It doesn't matter. I'm done.
Wait, babe.
I'm done.
Yeah, guys. I run 1-1. We're on to round 2. And
Round 2.
Whatever.
Fight!
Yeah, no, yeah. I don't know why you came with this challenge because you're not gonna win. You should already know, baby girl.
I know I went with this banana.
We need 1 or 2. What?
What?
One up on me, the other one up on me. Get your green nose. Round 2 and I'm on it. See me? Uppity. You don't know. We're not doing no more talk. I jump right in that video now. So get the popcorn and thing, you know? All right.
I think.
Round 2, let's go.
I can't do that. Wait!
Wait for what?
What you just do with it?
What do you mean? You see, you losing today,
That's
man.
clear.
You losing today, girl. Hey, don't worry about that, nigga. You losing today, girl.
Man, you true.
I'm gonna demolish you.
Man.
I'm gonna demolish you.
That's because you don't chew your food.
Hold on, that took 5 seconds. We done? I'm helping you out. It's your boy Jay in the building, you know what I'm saying? All we do is win the money. What? Round 3, round 3 back. Come on, man. I'm finna drop you off, man. I'm finna zip your ass, man. I'm finna drop you off, man.
Shut up, I zip your ass. Alright, guys, so this is round 3. He won the first 2 rounds, whatever. That's because he cheated.
Round 3. Fight!
What the?
Alright.
So we got the Jif peanut butter to go. The little snack size, y'all, as y'all can see. So we're not gonna use no spoon, nothing. We just gonna open it in.
Dive right in.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Go!
Wait! Why should I open it? Oh.
Shit.
Wait, you cheating.
Yeah!
What the? Bro, why? Goddamn!
I love peanut butter.
Is it harder?
I'm winning this shit.
Yeah.
Well. Okay.
Alright.
Get in.
You better dig it in. You worry about me.
But I'm on them.
What that mean?
Come on, Shy. You gotta get one for the books. Oh, goddamn. Well, I wonder what happened if you eat too much peanut butter.
You still try. I still winning what? 2-0, 2-1?
I don't care.
You're still losing though. come with this shit.
Mmm. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
I can do this. I won.
All right, guys. So we got round 4 right here. She won the last round, which whatever.
Round 4. Fight!
Both doing, as you guys can see, we got the. What you doing?
I gotta get that seed out.
Stop cheating. You guys can see right here. We got the watermelon. We got the
Watermelon.
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 Watermelon. Yeah. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. You ready?
You ready?
You ready?
You
All right,
ready.
we finna jump in there. So I run 2, you run 1, right?
Yes.
So I run 3, you run 1, right?
Correct the mundo. No?
Yeah.
No, that is not what it is.
Ooh. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Yo, this mother cold, bro. Hold up. What? You gotta sit up?
I gotta get into it.
It's kind of cold for my teeth. I'm done. I won.
Mm-mm.
I said that. No, this used. White.
Bone up there.
One up that. Guys, it's pretty close right now. Come on, DJ Vaughn.
My family eat watermelon for a living.
Not today, baby girl. You're gonna lose. What is that? That ain't part of the trick. What are you doing?
Oh shit, that's sweet.
I mean, I won that.
Wow.
I'm done.
Oh yeah.
Bro, you're a cheater.
Mm-mm.
God damn. Even your nose getting a little piece.
I won.
How you won?
I got most of my red clear.
What's on I got too? What you mean?
Mm-mm. I bet I can dig my feet in there and get a whole chunk.
Try, go ahead, try.
Put it down.
She got like a whole mess.
There you go.
God damn.
I won.
That's crazy.
Yo, I took a big old chunk out of there. He's talking about I won. I took a big old chunk. I won. What you mean, Slim? I won. There ain't nothing but Ryan left.
Nah, that's crazy.
I won.
Alright, guys. We're on to the final round.
Final round. Fight!
We
We
got
are
some
currently tied.
Skittles. It's 2-2, man. I'm trying to win this. We got some Skittles right here, guys. So what we're gonna do? It is mixing, bro. Take your hand, how much you even gotta look. So basically what we're gonna do is what we're gonna do. We got like 3 different colors in here, guys.
No, 4.
4? Okay, 4. But we're only gonna consume the yellow ones.
5 different colors.
So we're only gonna consume the yellow ones, guys. Only yellow ones. So we gotta pick 2. Whoever eat all them first wins. I mean, whoever eat all them wins the whole round. Cause it's a draw right now. Without further ado,
Go!
wait.
I got all all of them in my mouth.
God, go! No! No! Ah! I won!
What the fuck?
I won!
Bro!
I won! Yeah! Yeah! Yo! Yo! Victory!
You annoying.
Woo! Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I did some. Woo!
My damn jaw hurt.
Let's go! Let's go!
You annoying.
So guys, we ain't made this video too long. Just saying, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. You know what I'm saying? From the one that's been supporting us from day one. I remember. I still see y'all commenting, man. Don't think I forgot. I still see y'all. Some of y'all been messaging me on Instagram. I still see y'all. You know what I'm saying? Once y'all keep the journey with us, I promise you're gonna be paid, you man. You know what I'm saying? All right. Anything you wanna say?
I'm mad.
She mad.
I should
You know
have
what I'm
won.
saying? She mad. But
This is a fun challenge, y'all. If y'all want to see more challenges like this from us, go ahead, press that like button, hit that subscribe button, also hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And yeah, like he always say, come journey with us. It's gonna be a fun journey. We got more in store for y'all.
you know what I'm saying?
And we would like feedback. Let us know what y'all want us to do. Let us know what y'all would love to see from us. If it's some challenges, some pranks, whatever. If y'all want us to do something this month, do a vlog about it, let us know. We got y'all.
She said, you know what I'm saying? We got you. So without further ado, hey, have a good night. Peace.
Peace.